We're here as part of Government of Ontario's trade mission in Chennai. My name is Yuri. I represent Prime Powders. We manufacture highly spherical metal powders used in additive manufacturing, such as 3D printing, cold spray deposition, and other methods. We're here to make some connections with Indian companies as 3D printing and additive manufacturing is still emerging in India. We would love to connect with some companies who are adopting those processes. And come check it out. We're here from March 12th till 14th at booth B39. Hope to see you there.